How to use Sunflow Checklist. Open the navigation and click on Checklist. Here you will see a list of checklists that are created. You can build your own checklist by clicking on New Checklist. The checklist builder allows you to add a title, description, different sections, and 9 field choices. Ensure to add section title and description. Sections help to break down a large checklist. Page break helps to separate different parts of one section by creating a separate segment. Text box allows users to input text. Read-only text allows texts to be fixed in the checklist as instructions or notes. Drop-down allows user to select one entry. Checklist allows user to select more than one checkbox. All checkbox must be checked for these types of questions. Multiple choice allows user to select one answer or multiple answer if needed. Link allows user to add a link that will open in another tab. File upload allows user to add images, documents, and more. Date picker allows users to easily select a date. You can make the fields that are mandatory to fill up by clicking on required checkbox. Once a checklist is complete, click on Save Form and see the preview. In this stage, no responses will be recorded. Here you can add more information about the checklist at the top. You can select department, role, category drop-downs. Default checkbox means any new project with the same category will have a copy of this checklist pre-assigned. That means installers using the app can view this checklist and respond from the app. In order to use this checklist, you must click on Publish. After publishing, edits cannot be made on this copy. A new duplicate of the checklist can be made from the checklist list page that can be edited. To assign a checklist in the project, go to Project Details. Then click on Add Checklist. Only published checklist will be visible here. Once you add the checklist in the project, any user with access to the project can view and edit the checklist. You can set due date here and monitor checklist progress. Now click on Edit to fill up checklist. There are section status that will help overview the progress of the status. Pending, a new section that hasn't been filled up yet. Optional, a new section where fields are all optional. In progress means that someone has started filling up part of the checklist. Required finished, all the mandatory fields are complete in this section. Finished, all the fields are completed in this section. When whole checklist is complete, the checklist status will be finished. Now users can download a PDF copy of this checklist and find it in the Files and Links card. Thank you.